Hey, skincare enthusiasts! Ready to banish those pesky blackheads forever? I've got you covered with some natural hacks that really work. First, let's understand what we're dealing with. Blackheads are those tiny black bumps often found on your nose or face. They form when your pores get clogged with excess sebum, dead skin cells, and bacteria. When this mix gets exposed to air, it oxidizes and turns black. Now let's talk about the main culprits behind blackheads. Stress, hormonal changes, and even genetics can be to blame. Unclean skin, certain cosmetics, smoking, alcohol, and caffeine can also contribute. But don't worry, I've got some all-natural solutions for you. Hack number 1, baking soda scrub. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a little water to form a paste. Gently massage this onto your face for a couple of minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Baking soda helps exfoliate and remove dead skin cells. Use this scrub once a week for the best results. Hack number 2, honey and cinnamon strips. Mix a tablespoon of honey with half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Apply this mixture to your blackhead-prone areas and place a clean cotton strip over it. Leave it on for about 5 minutes, then gently remove the strip and rinse your face. Honey is antibacterial and cinnamon improves blood circulation, making this a powerful duo. Next up we have green tea face mask. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool. Mix 2 tablespoons of the green tea with a tablespoon of honey and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Apply this mask to your face and leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing off. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and clear up your skin. Another great hack: egg white mask. Separate the egg white from the yolk and whisk it until it's frothy. Apply a thin layer to your face, place a tissue over it, then apply another layer of egg white on top. Let it dry completely before peeling it off. Egg whites help tighten your pores and remove blackheads. Finally, always remember to keep your skin clean and hydrated. Drink plenty of water, eat a balanced diet, and avoid touching your face with dirty hands. And there you have it, some simple, natural hacks to keep those blackheads at bay. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more skincare goodness. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay glowing.